always dreamed of moving to Dubai, but every time I looked into it, the shipping costs, the stress, it just felt overwhelming. Furniture, boxes, customs packing, it was a lot. And honestly, I almost gave up on the idea. Then I found Baxter Shipping. They take care of everything, everything. Packing up your entire home in Canada, disassembling and carefully wrapping up your furniture, shipping it safely across the globe, and when it arrives, they assemble it, set up your house, and even send a handyman if you need one. They do door-to-door relocation to over 100 countries. Dubai, London, Australia, Europe, Asia, America, Canada, you name it. No missed items, no delays, no stress. Look at me, sitting in my new home in Dubai, all set up, thanks to Baxter Shipping. And the best part? It was way more affordable than I expected. Smooth, cost-effective, and absolutely hassle-free. So yeah, Baxter Shipping, they didn't just move my stuff. They helped me start a brand new chapter. Contact them today for a free quote and make your move hassle-free.